You've been watching all the dance I've been sharing? Right. So a lot of you must be confused that this channel is a makeup channel or a travel channel or a food channel or a channel about dogs. It's a little confusing. So let me make this clear. This is a lifestyle channel, and what you've been watching is a very, very important part of my life and my lifestyle. This message is specially for the ones who follow me who are outside Bengal. I'm going to keep this really short. I come from a family of a lot of culture, dance, music, and my grandfather Uday Shankar started this dance style years ago. And because the people who teach this style have mainly always been in Kolkata, there's this image now that it's a very Bengali style, which is not true. What I would like you all to do is, if you could please Google Uday Shankar and know a little about him, so that you can understand this style that you're being drawn to with the views I'm seeing and the way the admissions are happening. You will get all the information you want. I do dance, but then the main person who's my guru and the one who's going to be teaching in Mumbai is my mother, Tanusree Shankar. She won the Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 2012. And in Kolkata, everybody of course knows her. She's also nationally known to a certain sect of people. But at the age of 68, the way she's teaching dance, I just had to make it a little more national. Living in Bombay, I had to bring it to Bombay. And some of you must be knowing about my father, Anand Shankar. He was a very known musician. For example, he did the tune for Only Vimal, and there are loads more. That was just an example. And he had told me, I mean, when I was growing up, that whatever you do, just make sure people remember Baba, because Uday Shankar was his father. And my grandmother, Amala Shankar, is the one who has been my mother's teacher. There are a lot of wonderful people in Bengal, in Kolkata, within my family, outside my family, who are taking the style forward beautifully. And no matter what, I encourage it, because the more people will know about Dadu, the better it is. And let me tell you that this is a style which is very Indian, very lyrical, yet can be very groovy. Something which is not Bollywood. At the same time, it's not a complete classical style. So this is an experience I'm starting for the people of Mumbai. Hope I can expand further. Hope this is enough information about the style. And when it comes to me, follow my channel, Google things, and I don't want to talk more about myself. I'm really looking forward to a lot of you coming and joining the classes in Mumbai. We've tried to keep the branches based on the highest demand. And after these 3 months, I want to see how it does, and then I'm going to have further classes and maybe expand even more. So I'm really hoping to see some of you all here, and watch the rest of the video. Watch it till the end. Trust me.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.